Alright, mema wakwaba na memfa umra GH Live Studio on your YouTube and obekai say unyan subscribe to the channel na mesra na wa subscribe edi amayen na wabeka abusuaku no so person join WhatsApp platform kotoko WhatsApp platform 055 71 555 05 055 71 55505 na what test me high na wakasime phone joining kotoko enso a group no na ye bibia enso entimi enye kamana crop bio Kumasi Asante kotoko news na more update enso ewa ha say ya yedi ebro efa transfers of Krobia Kumasi Asante Kodoko bedi mo nkomo na weekendi Krobia Kumasi Asante Kodoko edi omani chire babieni na omo eni babieni co-stars so edi abo eni na training na hyase so ewo ha yedi mu komo nyina so edi bebro that one is going to be the next episode of the video on this channel no and day training report and then preparation towards near so and the coach the Karim Zito coach Karim Zito and so na ode akwa share baby go stars na bibia and so come up for the next 10 minutes on this channel is going to be the transfers of Krobia Kumasi Asante Kodoko. Mama Munti, there are a lot of players that Kodoko and Yomadun and this time Kodoko recruitment now omo omo mpamu players bebre enkoto bebre ma dabi enye fi no ba start team. They have started the team already, but pots bi wo honoma e wose mo pebi na omo edi hihim and the players bebre recover and so honoma medimu updated the bebre our housing and players are more recover no almost betimi abo some positions bi wo team nemu a abeboa. So this is what Kodoko technical team no yewura na apenkra kontomponi afere hene the IMC chairman the Emma Krobia Kumasi Asante Kodoko and coach Akwesi Apia Malik Jabel coach Anedindi Abdul Karim Zito any omo amaka o team ni mu nyina omo hwe ama enema enso etimi akoyie the Ama Krobia Kumasi Asante Kodoko mami ni kan free players omo contract ewu e Krobia Kumasi Asante Kodoko bobuku na player ni din Frederick Asari ono goalkeeper and at the same time captain and so team name ono contract no ebewu at the end of the season medical dia to anim say nkomodidie and so egusu ekoso say ne be ya branch be extend the contract na wonim say what the demands be ediama Krobia Kumasi Asante Kodoko campaign for before that no midin Nanaba Kwame Gracious GH Live Studio. So when you subscribe, you be subscribe, obe like it, obe share videos no na unya so enye bi na I enjoy the amazing content of the GH Live Studio. Now, Frederick Asari and common yedin. One, the demands and say he is not talking about playing time, but he is talking about the first level or the starting lineup. I was say omo ahio ne say obetimi a start Ama Kotoko. 2 I was say ne sika wagye no emu pagya. Ne sika wagye no I was say emu pagya. Frank Asare hwehwe saa ne ma we. Enti Frank Asare enko sign the contract mfa metena bench. But or sign the contract and also extend the contract no. Na wabe starting games Ama Kotoko. And we are Nisika waji na wasi mu pagya. These are the demands or every the club Kodoko hono. Yanko Samba O'Neil. Samba O'Neil. Na Samba Gilbani Ndongani O'Neil. Eba Kotoko bobuku ni mo. or signing 2 years contract, and share the 2 years contract was signing Eddie Amakotoko. And the first season, Minka say, like the performance of him, Minka say, sustaining the league able. No doubt, well, but doubt, no, but no doubt. You're pairing with Abulo Afa, you're pairing with Michael Sifa Afa, you're pairing with Kwame Ansu Afa, Eddie Amakotoko. And one thing is, you sound so pair in the middle of the team. Defensive midfield. Near pairing with Abrante Adidin, Eddie Andrews in team menu, and Eweki. Ɛno ama mpanyinfo a wɔbɔbɔku a yɛfrɛ no Krɔbea Kumasi Asante Kotoko ani agye the performance of Abrante Adidin, Eddie Samba O'Neil, and they want to extend the contract now. And on Komodi Diegusua and Chakra, there will be an announcement. Say Abrante now extend maybe 2 years in addition or 3 years in addition of the 1 year contract now. Aka and so Abrante and so contract so no and no and so young Koma. Yɛde ɛma ɛne anɔpɛyi nso ɛwɔ channel yi so from Krɔbea Kumasi Asante Kotoko nso camp. Na yɛni saa nkɔmmɔ wei, there are some players bi a Kotoko team no ehia nso abɛhyehyɛ mu, and nkɔmmɔdidie bebree gu so a ɛno nso ɛkɔ so sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ a biribiara bɛyɛ kama. Aberante a yɛfrɛ no Ishmael Ado Krɔbea Kumasi Asante Kotoko team no epel. That one I will extend the information, but I'll just mention the name and go. But the other ones, me be dimun komo details ewa hase ya me ba be dimun komo bebre at the amount. Walid Nema Fuseni and Abrante a player no sina kind at the in Swatreman Football Club. Memo bia me pulling some was he's a nice player. Obetimi esi akan di Krɔbea Kumasi Asante Kotoko, and the guy is really good. Walid Fuseni Nema, Walid Nema. Na guy no ball ni boy, and when the style of play now, obesity the system or the style of Krɔbea Kumasi Asante Kotoko, and komodi Dieguso though in Swatreman for epeno. Nations FC, because we're in Swatema player already. Nations FC pedal, but commodity because meetings upon meetings. Because we are, can say, bro 60% to the 70s to the 80s. And Chakora Ansha, now commodity is now so Kotoko was sign a player and at the Walid Fuseni Nema. No, Usina can, and so. At the Emma Nations Swatreman Football Club or more free Ghana Premier 2024-2025 season. I say more head the kakra, so the voice no unkoya na modi achemi, and so all Francis Aqua. Now Francis Aqua the contract at the end of the season a bet and they became United. Na share Abrante a ne din Francis Aqua na modern bar wabono this season became United na a 3 year papa and when say Krɔbea Kumasi Asante Kotoko team a sisi no any backup Abrante a ne din Patrick Esiedu ewo etire honom uyi Vetus Avoka ono youth player mo training ewo the left back aboa team for the end of the season na obie no ho Emmanuel Coltan ko betimi abo ho akra no so oye injured and also koso men kanisa oye injured since you want to nsi akan kopem say season no ebend enti ono so onye natural left back until was say omope obi or left back, and when the profile now what to say Abrante and the Patrick Asiedu otimi ɛsɛgye forward ɛkɔ ɛsan so ɛba ɛma bibia ɛnso etimi ɛyɛ kama ne style of play everything ɛnso ɛte sɛ abrantia ne din ɛnso ɛde Albert Amuwa, that is Francis Akwa. Nti kɔdɔkɔ team no ɛhwehwɛ sɛ ɔmo ebinya the signings of abrantia ne din ɛnso ɛde Francis Akwa ɛnso ɛwɔ hɔ nom a yɛde mo nkɔmɔ ɛnso etimi ɛde brɛw ɛwɔ ha. Na wonim sɛ Krɔbea Kumasi Asante Kɔtɔkɔ ɛhwehwɛ abrantia ne din ɛde Joseph Esau. Na Joseph Esau no ɔyɛ attacker. Na wonim sɛ this season no Kɔtɔkɔ ɛpɛ 6 players. Na 6 players no ɔmo ɛpɛ 1 defenders, 2 midfielders, 2 na ɔmo apɛ strikers, 2. The 6 players no ɛwɔ sɛ Kɔtɔkɔ enya defenders. Na ɔmo nya defenders ne nso wie a ɔmo ɛbɛ mfimfini hɔ ɛbɛnya midfielders. Ɔmo ewie a ɛhɔ na Ismail Ado no a mene kan bo ne din no ɔno ɛwɔ. Na forwards no ɔmo nso apɛ bi ɛwɔ hɔ. Nkɔmɔ didie ne deɛ ɛdɔɔso. One of Lagos City's player cramp no information about some commodity and check na bibia because Lagos City's akọ relegation this season. Relegation league no enya nwie but ohwe the points are omo wasisi na omo ekọ relegation with Nsuatreman Football Club. So this was the time Kɔtɔkɔ up 6 players in addition with the players omo do ebi betimi akọ but I was say omo hwe na bibia enso etimi kama so Joseph Esau ono esina kan de ema Dreams FC. Unim say Kɔtɔkɔ ni Dreams boy ya na Kɔtɔkɔ share Dreams 4-1 no na oka ho na o create spaces or tete Kɔtɔkɔ for no e wo machi the whole year pa. And this is the guy omo hwehwe no say ono so emra na omeka Kɔtɔkɔ Football Club. Na wo hwe hawa ensem no ekokɔ de a I was a coach Abdul Karim Zito stay and to continue as a coach of Krɔbea Kumasi Asante Kɔtɔkɔ next season. Yanko Emmanuel Entry this season oye player bi a Kɔtɔkɔ tɔ no ɛbaeɛ no is the one player na the profile any near Kɔtɔkɔfoɔ no expected from him no na was really pa. I'm telling you the truth. Kɔtɔkɔ bɔ friendly game AJ Complex. Ono na ye player onya gift pa from the supporters and no beya say Kɔtɔkɔ supporters no any AJ no ho say this is the guy ono betimi aboa Krɔbea Kumasi Asante Kɔtɔkɔ ewo mfimfini ho. But this time abranti adedin enso ede baba yayamo ntim manumo performance wo mfimfini ho no abranti no enso performance le enko ye se ne omo hwehwe. 2 sometimes injuries ni Dawson on the side of Emmanuel Entry and Komodidi Ametene said no, now he's injured, but information I make gather say and share at the end of the season Abranti and the Emmanuel Entry will also bet party ways with Krɔbea Kumasi Asante Kɔtɔkɔ and Nkɔmɔ and also at the Holland Samson Aduku kakra osi akan ni be ade ma Kɔtɔkɔ bet performance no ko nanim se ne omo expect no anhwe ya na bia long deal bi enso aba bebo ma na so be transfer no permanently enso e wo Krɔbea Kumasi Asante Kɔtɔkɔ team no ma yere ebrowe enyan commodity, but I'm giving you the story. This is a presentation that I'm giving you. And so ewo honoma bibia and so timi kama minta Isaac Minta now is injured, but me say I don't know medical me the whole episode beba and ni injury na wanya no cramp no ni nyina mu no tim ni nya ya ka omo ebe ma nakọ team ne nyaaya anka omo ebema na kobat omo ehwe from now ekopim the end of the season na sa enso ana etie ewo Isaac Minta enso enkomo nimu a yede bro na yemfa coach nsam ketuwa bi mfa ngulem na yemfa mo na men stop the transfer news no enso ewo ha se na other update no batimi enso at the amount ewo channel yi so GH Live Studio be subscribe na wa share oba like na odo comment enso etimi aba then commodity a yedidi from the back door of club Kumasi Asante Kotoko nyina ne say omo share performance coach Abdul Karim Zito done at the end one game pone say the 4-0 4-1 onyaye edi etia Dream Steps in the former club no no ama sesaye bi abam payimfo ne trim se omo ba kokofa nipa foforo de na bam na oba be create confusion because se ni problem de meba no technical director no enene match here and as a technical director ne nka ho no mkofo nipa na abade ya ebane sana always there will be a confusion ebesi enso okotoko team ne mo enti so mo hwe na Karim Zito performance what done di no ekoyie dia edienti ena omo ema no entina team ne mo Abdul Karim Zito possibility so be stay okotoko team ne mo very high we do be see saying GH Live Studio meaning ade nanaba Kwame Gracious man Kizito enso ewo ha ohwe na eniema enso atimi akoye our channel so oba share video no na odi ama wonua na ono so enya bi ahwe na bibia enso ai come more update from club Kumasi Asante Kotoko come enso ebeba wakwem and training course players omo etimi training players omo etimi training we are going to give you all the update enso ewa ha